Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to record a Zoom meeting. And here's how it's done. Open the Zoom app on your computer. Click the settings icon in the top right corner. Go to the recording tab. If you're using Zoom's free version, you can only save recordings locally to your computer. We suggest keeping the default two settings checked for best results. Now let us start recording. Click New Meeting. To begin recording, click Record at the bottom of the Zoom screen. You can pause or stop at any time. When you are done, click Leave, then End Meeting for all. Zoom will automatically convert the file and save it to the location you selected earlier. If you chose local storage, the recording will now be available on your computer. And that is everything to know about how to record a Zoom meeting. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.